Oh, yeah, this is a girl that's been calling us gay. Over in this chat. You're not even a furry. I'm half human, half animal. That's racist. Just to come into a chat and call all of us gay. Let's see. Age 17, other. Oh, how long has she been a member for? Oh no. Okay. What else can I do? Ah. Let's report her. Let's report her a bunch of stuff. Alright. Leg sweep. Bam! Slap. I'm just doing this because I want to defend my life. I want to defend the people I care about. You're not even half animal. Learn how to spell. It's not racist. Again, learn how to spell. Okay. I won't even look it up. I bet if I look it up, stupid bit, you'd be the first photo. Dab. Wait, I need to find a dab. Look, I bet if I looked up stupid bitch, you'd be the first photo. And she's even a guest. Oh, she's not even, like, I just joined the other day, but I'm a full-fledged member. I already did my spin last night. Dang it. Yeah. I would have gotten a free spin. On this, but I guess I was wanting to use it. And look what she said. I just love this game. But like, who's saying that we're gay? She's just new, and like, how many views do I have on my first video? Okay, let's look up how many views. What the? Oh, you know what? I need to save this, okay? People, go. Second, how am I stupid? You don't even spell half of the sentence, right? It's 'cause I have ADHD, which you probably don't even know what it means. Bit to punch. I hate this girl. I hate her. She's my mortal enemy. Yeah, just mad because I'm roasting your ass. No, because you're on film and I can share this to IMVU people. You make special ed kids look like smiles. I am a special ed kid. Bitch. I'm in EDC. Duh. Share it, IDK. Okay. What does... I had to look it up again. I don't know how to spell it. ADHD stand for? I have which is ADHD. And I bet I've gotten a better score on a math test than a bit like you. Okay, what's your point, dummy? And a bit like you. I bet I got him. And I have like let me just look real quick. Oh my god, the channel. Do not look up this channel, okay? It's my channel, my special own channel. Like, try blocking with my head. Okay, yeah, I have 47 subscribers. I have like 47 subs on one of my channels. Well, I bet I got a way better score in spelling. I have a better score on like mythologic and history, cause I actually stayed in school. What the fuck? Wait, oh my gosh! Today's Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss! Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss! Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss! What even is this? Okay, yeah, I have 9 views. 2 subscribers, but 9 views. NP, love. Go. And I even... Oh my flipping god! Right at the moment, I was going to those two. watch one of these videos for some reason because I'm bored. This is me singing. Yes. Oh my god. I think Boto likes you. Wait. I want to see that again. Oh god. Oh, AirPods. Yeah. Oh my god. He's eating wheat. I mean wheat. This is an Undertale track. This is a flipping Undertale track. Oh my god. I'm going to a different area. Okay. Yes, I shall go here, because I am adorable. Yes, I have animals. Wait. Hi. I'm ADHD. Guess who's winning now? Yeah.
My PP itches.